Welcome to IPEM Group of Institutions, located at Meerut Expressway in Delhi NCR. Where your future comes first, our institution stands as a beacon of quality education and holistic development. At IPEM Group of Institutions, we pride ourselves on being the premier college in Ghaziabad. IPEM Group of Institutions is not only AICTE approved but also holds NAC accreditation for its law programs with an A-grade accreditation for its undergraduate programs. We are renowned for our exceptional programs in management, computer applications, education and law. Our comprehensive range of programs caters to a spectrum of academic interests and professional goals. Equipped with cutting-edge facilities and led by a team of experienced faculty members, our classrooms, laboratories, moot court, Wi-Fi campus and transportation facility provide the perfect environment for intellectual exploration and innovation.
IPEM College Ghaziabad has truly transformed my academics. The supportive faculty, diverse opportunity and modern facilities have helped me to change both personally and professionally.
Our dedicated faculty members are not just teachers but mentors, guiding our students every step of the way. With their expertise and support, our students are empowered to excel academically and professionally.
At IPEM Group of Institutions, we provide our students with the knowledge, skill and the right attitude they need to succeed in the corporate world.
But education is not confined within the four walls of a classroom. We encourage our students to participate in a wide array of extracurricular activities, from sports to cultural events, fostering holistic development and teamwork.
The computer lab of our college provides a conducive environment for learning and exploration. With its state-of-art facility and its extremely helpful staff, it has really benefited me in my academic success.
Through strategic partnerships with leading companies and organizations, we provide our students with opportunities for internships, projects and placements, bridging the gap between academia and the industry.
Not only the best education, but the placement support I have received here was exceptional. Thanks to the placement cell and supportive faculty, I've got my dream job even before my graduation. IPEM College truly sets you up for your success.
As we look towards the future, IPEM Group of Institutions remains committed to providing quality education and fostering a culture of innovation and excellence. Join us in shaping tomorrow's leaders today. IPEM Group of Institutions, Ghaziabad, where your future comes first.